welcome to another episode of Vitesse. Today you might notice a slightly different setting here today. We're doing something a little bit different today. So instead of working in the garage, we're actually doing a car collection. So at the moment we're near Belfast on a bit of a trip, and we're picking up a car. So we've got the familiar faces, and then we have the unfamiliar faces.
Yeah.
So I'm going to introduce you then to Fernando, who's the guy who owns the car that we're collecting now. So
Welcome to you, Fernando. I let you introduce yourself.
My name is Fernando, so pretty much I just met those incredible guys a few months ago. Thanks to those guys that I'm like able to go collect the car, because it's like a dream for me since I was a child. Everybody who loves cars, we are like always watching Fast and Furious, the movies and everything, and we have like that passion about those cars, like those cars from the actors. Like it's not the same thing as we got like the regular cars, the daily cars. For us, I think that like life is too short, so we need to go to those like amazing cars, the cars that we really love. I'm Brazilian, so in my country, it's really hard and it's really rare to find those cars, and it's pretty much impossible for me to achieve that goal in Brazil. And here in Ireland, since I arrived, I just put like as a goal, as long as I get like stabilized here on the country, I was going for those kind of cars, trying to find those cars. And then a lot of signs just happened like at the same time, and here we are, guys, right? So we're gonna collect this car. Just keep posted. Let's keep watching the video because it's gonna be so nice. So yes, yeah, that's good.
right, let's do this. Okay, onwards we go.
Thank you very much. I need to put the link of this channel, the channel of Fernando. So
Yeah, he's a good YouTube channel,
race,
actually. Yeah, it's a good one.
really good content. It's the time for him to restart the YouTube channel. So
Yeah.
great team coming on his channel. So you
Possibly
need
a
to watch.
collab too. So
It's very much. We really think you can enjoy this type of content.
Yep.
It's a bit different, but still good.
Yeah.
Thanks very much, guys.
great. Chat soon.
Bye.
I'll show you how I do it to make it a wee bit clearer.
Yeah,
I just have it there for myself. I'm sorry, you won't be making too much boost on the way home.
No, I'm gonna be.
So I mean, with the different bell housing.
Okay.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverses towards you and back.
Perfect. Okay.
It's the exact same as an MX. You hit the arm, and then obviously your alloy body is bolts in the sheet metal. It was beyond sea solid. Well, I mean, I pulled with a torch and stuff, just kept going with a bolt, let's see, more elbows. That's one of the charge pipes up to the manifold. No idea what the fuck that is.
Just a receiver.
That's actually the turbo that's in her. That's her calibration report.
Oh, okay. Nice. Happy days.
Part of a vacuum line / heat shield. That's the factory manifold. Which weighs that is the turbo intake pipes.
Okay.
You can see where somebody has been at them before me. That's all before me. But that's your factory turbo inlet pressure pipes. It's well done.
Okay. Okay, let me try like a savage.
Thorough test, okay.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs.
This is the end of this video. Yeah, different, really
Brilliant.
different. Yeah.
Not just in the garage setting.
Yeah.
couple of road trips actually, because we went to Belfast on the Friday, then we spent the day in the garage on Saturday, and then Sunday we went to Mayo. So there was a lot of driving there.
Yeah.
We'll explain more about the Mayo trip in another video at a later stage. Yeah, it was a good trip there on Friday evening to Belfast for our friend Fernando.
Yeah.
He's just picked up a really nice RX-7, and he has a YouTube channel as well, so we'll put a mention of that down below, so you can see what his channel is like. And he uses, professional cameras, drones, everything else. Most of it's in Portuguese at the minute, but he will be putting in English, I think, or a mixture of both in some of in his next video. So
Yeah.
but
So yeah, guys, make sure you follow his YouTube channel. We need to put the link, and yeah, he have really good content. It's really impressive the quality of his videos. So because we are beginner, but
yeah,
yeah,
amateur,
but you need to start in the life. So but yeah, Fernando, really nice guy. The name of his channel is Moto
motor
Race.
race. Yeah,
I think, to be honest with you, I never see one car that clean, especially RX-7, because from France, this car are really expensive and you pay big price for cheap box. So
yeah.
this one is, yeah, this one is
Clean.
really
It's
clean.
good.
To be honest with you, I
Yeah.
was really impressed with this car and I'm really happy for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fernando, really good guy.
Yeah.
The owner as well is a really good guy.
Yeah, he spent hours talking to us.
A true car guy.
Yeah,
I can tell you this. Yeah, very nice guy.
Yeah.
And,
It was painted in a Mazda Sol red. You might see a lot of the newer Mazdas in this red, sort of where it kind of pops out and changes colors a bit. It's like a dark, rich red with a tinted clear. Hard color to paint, but it looks good. And with the nice wheels, everything else, and single turbo setup. Loud pops and bangs, really loud pops and bangs. Flames, you name it.
Flames, everything. The car is on Link ECU, linked standalone ECU. The car is from factory twin turbo. Now it's single turbo, big boy 70 millimeters. Because on the 335i it's 67 millimeters, 67, 66, so 67 millimeters. On the intake side, they have a 70 millimeters. Yeah, absolutely crazy.
Yeah, big beast on the road.
Yeah, and he have two-step anti-lag, a lot of cool things. We need to make one day with Fernando in collaboration with his channel, probably show this car properly.
Yeah.
All the spec, everything. But this car is an absolute monster, to be honest with you.
Yeah, you'll be seeing more of that car on this channel and on his as well.
The E90. Yeah, small progress. We just because we was really busy. Yeah, what a weekend. This weekend was.
Look, we did 2 long distance journeys, but we still managed to get a bit done there.
Yeah.
Short shifter's been fitted.
Yeah.
A little bit tricky lining it up and stuff, and but it's in, it's done. It looks good. It's nice. And
we fit the seat. We cleaned the carpet and stuff.
Carpet's cleaned up.
Yeah.
Used a wet vac there. That's handy. Yeah, because there was a bit of moisture in it before, so did a good scrub up, everything nice and clean. And you can see that as well in the video. And the front 2 seats are fitted as well.
Yeah.
So
it's just missing the 2 grills for the speakers, but one speaker is damaged. I need to replace.
Yeah.
So that's why probably remove the seat one day. But for now we need seat because it's much easier.
Yeah.
For moving the car and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, small progress. But as you can see, the shifter. It's a very nice piece made in billet aluminum. So they take a block of aluminum and they machining everything to make this shape. So really strong piece, beautiful piece. To be honest, for the price I pay this, I don't think you can get better. To be honest, and really precise for the shift and stuff. Yeah, another thing to change the driving experience.
Yeah.
You have bushings, suspension, now the shifter.
It's all kind of smaller progress of the E90, but you're going to start seeing other cars on this channel. And at the end of this video, you might have noticed an E34, a couple of brief clips there of it. This will all make sense shortly in another video. But yeah, it was well worth the trip to Mayo, I think, to look at this car and check out the issues and
Yeah.
You know, see what you'll be seeing a lot more of that car on the channel
Yeah,
shortly.
and the owner as well is really, really, really
Yeah,
nice.
also a nice chap.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You've been lucky lately with
Really,
these nice
really
people.
nice guy. Really, yeah, full car guy as
Yeah.
well. You know, yeah, we are very lucky because all the guys we meet,
So very
yeah,
good.
they are very good. Yeah, and yeah, we are very lucky with this. So yeah, next video could be different.
Yeah.
Yeah, different. Probably not a lot of work, but very different.
We'll still have the content on.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for everything.
Yep.
Thanks
Thanks as
for
always.
support.
Yep. We'll see you in the next
That's it.
video.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Ciao.
Bye.